So from my perspective, my hooks were getting a lot of value this game, but my defensive flays could use a ton of work.
What? A ton of work? That's not specific at all. How am I supposed to learn from this? Well, thank you, viewer. You've brought up a great question. I think it's time that we take our commonalities and turn them into possibilities for improvement. Now it's time to identify the different qualities of your mistakes. Now, since this is a micro mistake using the spell Flay, was I missing the spell? Was it the timing, the release of the spell? Or was I not in the right position during the fight to where my spell could have easily landed? Consider the enemy team comp. Jax and Lee Sin are the main divers. Vex dives as well, but her ult's unstoppable, even though it doesn't say it online. So I'm going to be trying to stop these two from entering. Thresh's Flay can actually pull or push people out of their ability trajectory, but the simple and most effective way to do this is put yourself between the enemy and the ally and use the larger zone of the hitbox. As we look further, we notice Thresh's Flay actually has a larger circular hitbox around the character model. And so if I feel like I'm struggling to land the skinnier portions, I can use the larger section around Thresh to hit enemies off of my carry. But Jeffrey, how do you do it? You're just so handsome and smart, and I still have a hard time reacting. Another great question, by the way. Okay, so what do I do? How do I know when things are coming? Well, let's use the skill of anticipation. This is where we can mix our game knowledge and our ability to predict what's going to happen next. Here you notice that a Lee Sin cannot go in until he lands his Q, or maybe ward hops. Second, a Jax is pretty much 9 times out of 10 going to use his E to dodge damage on the way in and land a stun on your carry. If you look for these two signs, you should have no problem landing Flays in the future. So good luck out there, don't forget to VOD review and kick ass this weekend. See ya!